Super stupid, eh?
Tori on the beat.
What's poppin', B?
Oh, now your sister must ain't got no food, folks.
Who? She do. Why you talking shit about my sister? Hmm? Why you talking shit about my little sister? Harry. Oh shit. Ooh. Oh man, hey. Ooh, Poke. I'm so sorry, y'all. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh man, I just did a pack. Oh man.
No, I looked familiar, that's why. I'll count the Zala. That's mine. That's no. You owe me. Come on in there then. You owe me for the cigarette. What cigarette? Oh, there. Come on, would you come in the damn stove?
I already just gave you $20.
It's all in that purse.
Why you do that?
Hey, you can wait to get y'all ass back.
Oh, get up. Get up.
I bet you I get beamed up in there too.
I don't like everybody.
Give me my fucking mod. Y'all almost killed everybody. I better have given my mind.
Shut up.
Oh, shit.
Biggie, what up, baby? You alright? You good?
I just gotta test it out. It worked. It worked.
Yeah,
It worked.
I said where I'm at.
Shelly.
I'm at the bar.
That's what we finna
At
do
the
here.
bar?
You just scared the shit out of me.
I didn't mean to, so
Yeah, we at the bar.
I have to make sure it worked.
Let's talk about we. I didn't ask about we. I said you.
It worked.
My bad.
Hey, you asking about both of us now, so what's up?
Give my man his mind.